Well, we brought you in because you're on the front line, so to speak. You're one of the soldiers that's protecting government or individual companies or individuals. Are we in a true cyber war?
Yes, we are. The cyber war has been going on for quite some time now. Basically, there's lots of companies behind us that provide us with the weapons to combat the cyber war. But over the past year, we've had big losses for the United States, not just in monetary value, intellectual property. What else do we've had a 423% increase in hacks on financial firms.
Wow.
It's incredible what's going on.
Well, who's doing it?
Well, there's a number of things that occur here. There's nation states,
Right.
China, Russia, of course, comes to mind for everybody.
Right.
But Germany, Israel, Iran are also involved. U.S., we are also a big hacker.
Yeah.
So we have our own farms. And what goes on is we hack them, they hack us, right? But the two, we are the most assaulted country in the world.
Yeah. Well, what are they after?
Well, there's a number of things they're after. There's intellectual property, ransom, which is paid in the form of Bitcoin. Basically, state and military secrets.
Right.
Blackmail, personal information, which is your credit cards, things like that, your address, your social security. And then some of them, it's just mischief. It's, we call them kiddie scripters. They go out, they find scripts, they run them just to see what they can do.
Yeah.
And it causes lots of damage for private companies.
Well, one that scares me is the wanton destruction.
Yes.
Where you got a nation state, I will take down your power grid, we'll shut off your
Exactly.
water, or things like that. And those are real threats too.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
That have to be addressed.
Yeah, so we're the primary victim, the number one victim, but who
Yeah.
else in the world?
So the
are
U.S.
victims?
is the top, followed by UK, India, and Germany. That's the top four. Out of the top four,
all democracies.
All democracies, yeah. Figure that.